syGlass View is a free trial version of syGlass that can be downloaded by anyone around the world. View users can only see data provided by our premium users like you. To submit data for View, you must sign a project file. The project should have all optical models and annotations completed and saved before signing the file. Once the file is signed, further adjustments cannot be made. The signed file should be placed on your website. The syGlass website will host a link to that file with a citation, thumbnail, and brief description of your data. All submissions are highly appreciated. Thank you. Signing a project over will lock all the annotations and optical models for that project. So when you want to sign a project over to syGlass View, the first thing to do would be to make a copy of the project that you want to sign so that you can still have a copy to make annotations to later on. So first, let's go make a copy of this project and reload it into syGlass. So here I have my file folder with the project files. I'm going to just copy and paste this right back into the same folder. And then I'm going to rename the project so that it says a different file name. So when we load it back into syGlass, it'll be named something different. Just like we've done in the past, we're just going to go to the top, create a new project, and select the file that we just renamed. To begin the signing process, first highlight the project in the project list, then go to the top left, project dropdown, and click Sign Project. It's going to give you a little dialog box, but I'm going to walk you through that right now. We're just going to hit Generate Request first, and then save this into a new folder completely, so that it's easy to find later on. So I'm making a new folder here. It's going to be VCN Mended Signed File. Just hit OK. And then I'm also going to take a card and save the image so that I have a thumbnail of this data. And I'm just going to save it back into the folder where I just saved the text file. With all of the information we just gathered in syGlass, we're going to go to our email and type in info@syglass.io. We're going to send a sign request with a short description of the data, the text file we just generated, and the thumbnail that we just took of the data, and send it all in. All we ask is that you allow about a day or two to get the sign request back. When you get the signature file back, we're going to send you 4 attachments. 3 of the attachments will be options for buttons for you to load onto your website and attach your data. syGlass will put links to your website where the buttons are located for people to download the data. This is so that you are in control of your own data at all times. The 4th attachment will be the signature file itself. When you get the signature file, download it and save it into the folder that we created before. Go back into syGlass, and we're going to highlight the project that we wanted to sign in the beginning. Click the project dropdown, Sign Project, and when the dialog comes up, click Sign Project. Locate the signature that you just downloaded and saved in your folder and open it, and this will sign your project. The new SYG file will have all of the metadata combined. Please post the data on your website, and syGlass will link View users to that file location. Thank you.